All right, guys, just wrapped up this 2025 GMC 1500 AT4. This one came to us out of Texas. It's got the BDS 2.5 inch. It's optioned out with the Fox 2.5 snap ring coilovers on the front. They call that a snap ring coilover, but essentially it's just a really nice box strut, and it is adjustable. And then we got the Fox 2.0s in the rear. Now, to make this kit work, I get a lot of questions on this, the snap ring on the AT4s and the Trail Bosses. You do have to use, if I can get to focus here, there is a preload spacer here that we have manufactured for various different engine sizes, lift heights, AT4 versus non-AT4, Trail Boss, whatnot, to make sure that the trucks sit level. Without that, it will sit lower in the front, really too far nose down, so that it will actually start affecting the alignment. So that's why they don't offer it straight from BDS like that. But with the preload collars, it works just perfect. Did the 35, 12, 50, 20 Toyo RT Trails, factory 20-inch wheels. Get a lot of questions on if we need wheel spacers. No wheel spacers are needed on this. Have to do a little bit of trimming. See if we can get it focused here. Just on the inside corner of the bumper through here, and the bottom of the felt liner through there. See if I can get that to focus for you. Yeah. Of course, this kit also is going to come with your BDS upper control arms. On this one, the Kelderman caps were already installed. You can see these are installed slightly different than how we normally do them. We actually like to reposition the felt liner and the clip so that it doesn't create as much of a gap right here. You can see like that. But that's how we like to do it, just so that it doesn't create that gap. And it also, when you do it like this, it shifts it forward just a little bit. But nonetheless, still plenty of clearance. This setup, you really don't even have to have the, I may have said Kelderman caps, I'm so used to using those, but these are the Rough Country mud flap delete caps. But you can see how much clearance they add. But just to be clear, with this setup, they're not needed, but they do add more clearance and they do look nice. Truck sits dead level. I also did the amp power steps. In the rear, you're gonna get a 3-inch block to replace the factory 2-inch block, a bump stop extension, and then you got your Fox 2.0 shocks. And this kit can be adjusted up another 2 inches. So if you're not sure what height you want, you can buy this kit, since the front struts are going to be adjustable. Again, Fox calls those in BDS a snap ring coilover. Essentially, it's just a nice box strut. We do still like them a lot because it gives us the adjustability on ride height. If someone wants to add a bigger tire size, go up on their lift, they don't have to start over. The base lift's the same, you just adjust the struts up and then add a larger block on the rear. So, real nice option to be able to make some changes in the future. You can see we've got really good angles. It's got the BDS 3-piece skid plate system. As mentioned before, if it's the diesel with a 4-cylinder turbo, it's going to have the smaller skid plate like this one. And if it's the gas 5.3 or 6.2, it's going to have this full skid plate that it's going to run up and bolt up to the frame. You notice on these, even when we have them on the lift, the pads will actually strip some of the wax coating off. We try to always repaint those so that there's not bare frame and any corrosion that happens, especially on the brand new trucks. Do want to point out one more thing down here. So, let me see here. You can see, sorry about that, my flash kept turning on. So you can see right here, this is where you have to clearance the frame so that the front cross member will fit. I saw one of these posted by another shop on YouTube the other day, and I just want to kind of point out something. You see how we clearance just as little as possible. Well, in the video that the other one, the shop had actually cut from all the way up here all the way down. It's just, I've seen a couple like that. And when you're having these installed, look at some of the trucks in the parking lot. Make sure they're not done like that. You want to clearance as little as possible. You want nice clean cuts. The directions give you, clear and concise directions on where to cut. No reason to be cutting another inch off the frame. But the one I'm talking about is on YouTube, so y'all can find that. I'm not gonna call it out or anything, but it's another shop that posts their videos, and they just cut a lot more than what we feel is necessary, and it just doesn't look as good. But anyways, this is how we do it. We like to make it look nice and clean. All right, guys. I do believe that's going to be it on this truck. So make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.